MK, you need to be proud because you have a vision and you really care for this country. And for you to share ANC, it's not because you hate uRamaphosa. uRamaphosa vela kanendaba nomuntu omnyama South Africa. And the only thing enhle ofune kuyenza ukwabuka onke lama parties ngoba amanye awafundwa uye. Ngoba bakuyi cabal efunda ama parties. Uqhamuka lapho. So you need to be careful to support our parties because lama parties engayishintsha itune anytime. That's why ngithi umuntu we-MK is blessed because we have taken a position to become a resistance. Some people don't understand the fights our lawyer Ubaba Msholozi ne-legal team yakhe and not on the ground. Thina masikhuluma on the ground, we conscientize. Asikudukisi. Make no mistake. You cannot do one thing and ungayitholi lento oyifunayo uthi uma uphindwe uyenza ucabanga ukuthi there will be another change. Forget about it. ANC was once good and it will never be good again. Panyaza is trying, but he will never win. Believe you me, Maui ANC ngizwe kahle, he will never win unless he does join a resistance. He can't resist within the ANC. You need to come out of the ANC and show the public of South Africa that the ANC is a problem in abantu abayibulalayo abayi-problem. Asho ukuthi ahambisane nalokhu okwenziwa i-ANC. He mustn't speak of DA no Freedom Front Plus. He must speak of i-ANC ukuze bayibona abantu. But abantu abamnyama ngoba ingqondo yabo angiyazi njani. Uzoqhamuka uLusofi athi abhale ku t-shirt yakhe, don't unalive Commander Krizani again. And then they think that is a revolutionary. I'm telling you again, a leader leads a purpose. And to be a leader, everyone must look at you. Akuzonde akuthande. That's a leader. Because he lives and leads a purpose, not with a purpose, a purpose. And the purpose here to is freedom, nothing else. And all my actions azobe direct to their freedom. Not to come kuthatha ama podium ubuyisa media, ubuyisa press uzo address abantu uzobatshela into ubotshela yona a month ago, 2 months ago, 10 years ago. That's not leadership. We are tired of people saying the same thing for 5, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. We don't want that. If Ibrahim Traore can say tomorrow I will produce electric car and he does it, in lebambi South Africa in ama resources nje ingadependile kwi IMF ngayo yonke into. We're not depending on the IMF ngayo yonke into. We can be independent. We can stop ukuthatha imali ze-IMF. Sikhokhe i-debt lena siqhubeke sidevelop i-country yethu. That's what Msholozi did. He led a purpose of a freedom, not with a purpose. You need to understand ukuthi umuntu olungisayo uhlale njalo ethela isisinga always, because uhlale njalo kwi spotlight. alebulwe labo bangamfuni, athandwe labo bamthandayo, not ngoba ethanda yena, but they love his idea. Because akuyona into evela inikwe noma ubani le lento eyisiphiwo yokulida abantu. That's why kukhona abantu abangama cowards, because they are not given that blessing ukulida abantu. Banikezwe lento kuba selfish ukuthi bayicabangele bona. Nokusakama to any pressure, babaleke or bathatha imali, badayisa abantu babo. These are leaders we see today. Abamagwala who cannot have a spine and say, I can't do this. I'm telling you, the way South Africans behave, enza ngayo nje benza kumsholozi. I guarantee you, even in show, the late Solomon Mahlangu can come back here and speak the language of Zuma, he will be labeled. Even in Shubabu Krizani ngavuka manje, he will be labeled. Even if you still big manje, he will be labeled by the very same black people about with poverty. About the nutrition a poor. They don't understand what the way in the kubeka ngayo. Beshuphekile ezweni labo. It's either basusa lo hulumeni wabo obasakama kulento hulumeni ayifunayo ngabo. And this is a problem with South Africans. Ukudla kusazoba expensive. Let's start with something easy la immediate into your household. I don't care ukuthi njoba sikhuluma la sikutshela ukuthi MK is the only party elwela wena. Njoba nihlale nihleka noma iya ema-court noma iluze icase, ngicabanga ukuthi uma iluze icase nila is the end of the road. MK idelay le process yale beast. Because kusena abantu abasupporta ibeast, abangefuni freedom yabo, abantu abakhohlisekile, abantu abapassionate ngetribalism. They believe in tribalism. Which country has ever achieved anything in tribalism? Look at China. China is about 1.5 billion. It's not one tribe. It's not one tribe. Look at America. It's great as it is. It's not just one tribe. South Africa's got every wealth with a small number of population to turn things around within 3 years. Do you hear me? Within 3 years. All you need is a leader. Not lo uzositshela ngendaba about 7 years lapha ba cupcake. Ulokusitshela ukuthi he's good, he's strong, he's a strong. Yeah, that's what they write on X. He says he's the best, he's the best. But upuma ethi drive imoto aviki pothole, a drive oncoming traffic or aphume ngaphandle komgwaqo, istrike sangakubo, ahambe emgwaqeni hijack emgwaqeni, angene kuma spikes and mayiphume ephila lapho, he's lucky. Nabantu abakhe umntana namhlanje mekwa thatha nje walk on the street uselo ngaphinde umthole, and you tell me ukuthi Cupcake is the best, is the strongest president. Strong on what? Selling you, destroying you, of course. Ayikho into azakwenzela yona. Look at the SOEs are gone. Prices are hiked deliberately. Now they're going for solar panels. Abantu bafike ba-encourage ukuthi ababe nama solar panels. Now they are after them because they want to support le market yabo. Akuyona uhulumeni wakho lo. This government is for the markets. It's about making profit. This is a capitalism at its best. Umsholozi yanitshela ukuthi a capitalist society is ruthless. They determine. They will tell you good tomorrow bread has gone up. This is so much. A tariff electricity has gone up. This is so much. And you don't have a say. And you will have a say the time you put a leader of a society, not a leader of the markets, in charge of the country. That's when you start to see a leader. Leaders are vilified in this country. In a world of capitalism, a leader of the people is not wanted. You cannot even go out to hambe uyoti nyopikita for ukuthi bene raise no salary. They will organize police ukuthi suse ngama rubber bullets and fake igas. Anlalelwa because they have already fixed their minds. Ukuthi these are businesses who gonna benefit. Uma sinholela nina le mali. Nothing should change now. When we agitate, in a capitalist world, you need poverty. You need to get a lot of workforce stuck with poverty. People who don't think about the future. People who think about stomach. That's how a modern day slavery works. Go to China and see what's happening there. People are empowered. We talk about action plan. Those are leaders. When you talk about Putins of today, who make sure with our citizens able, they've got every means to be successful. As long as you follow the law. But in South Africa, you don't have the opportunity. Even when you talk about the law, because the law is not for you. But my bet there's no one above the law. They are above the law. You cannot oppose them on any decision. You can go to court. Their courts are theirs. Sazi will go after you when any member yabo. We are izamele ecaleni. So they will go after you. They show you who they are in charge. They make it a law. When unga comply, you must be punished. There's no law for you there. It's for them. Lama bills are not for you. Are for them. In the James way, if you for a mistake, you go to Ibang Msindo Akuri Kichime here America. Ubano is a church as a treason, because that's a treason at best. When you undermine your own country and go to another state to challenge the issues that are not happy. As when all came out lako. But you don't want to deal with the problem inside, you go and sell a wrong idea. Because they can't that's a treason. And then, because they've been doing this for many years, these are brats of South Africa. Ibona banten ba votela labo. Man votele ANC. Ibona banten ba votela. Athinta lutho labo. Base bakutshela ukuthi property rights is not negotiable. Okushuthi even nale dialogue abayifuna be ANC oThabo laba abayipushayo. It will be the same thing because mabe ngene MK kuyafika raise ama issues ne EFF raise ama issues It's not going to change anything because these people, they are the law unto themselves. You win a case in their courts if they want you to. But in most cases, more challenge, I want to forget it. You're not going to win. Now, Msholozi does this so that you can see through the system. And uyibale nawe phakathi, because that's where landfell lale khona ama South Africans anibali nani ukuthi lento iyanishaya nani. Ngeke nikwazi ukumchallenge le elephant eyekwayo lokhu ikhula. Uyi-dictator uCyril, udictator ne-capital. And igama capital ephethela South Africa. That's why kunale apartheid traits obona ukwenza izinto, because they dictate. That's why bezokutshela bethi there is a limit in a democracy, but they cannot explain that. Nilaleli case yelokhuzana ye MK versus SAPC. Nibonile case ga Commander Duduzane Zuma. For just to say I see you is worse than what AfriForum does. It's worse. Now you can see who's got the law. You don't. You have no say here. They say it. They call the shots. Mangithi le tax enzoyikhokha nizoyikhokhiswa futhi ngempela. And mustn't depend kule tax or lo grant wenu. Lezi imali zenu lezi abayithathela bayifaka kwi-post system. Bazogcina benika zona through, because some of you don't even understand how money works. You don't even, you know, South Africans, you need to wake up. Did you know ukuthi kunemali okuthiwa ama-slush funds? I show Msholozi about $1 trillion, and nobody tells you about that. Slush fund. The ANC sitting with a lot of money. And ngeke umbone umuntu oyilida evela ethi uya-accounta ngalo mali. In South Africa, in South Africa, they don't. Iyenzani ANC lo mali? Wasayibona corrupt ANC, iWest yona corrupt impela ke le to the core. Le waye worried ngayo ubaba uCommander Oliver Tambo. Owathi the West the West ANC then apartheid kuyobe kuyile corrupt. And it lands ngempela niyayibona. Iyaphuma imali is allocated. Not long ago sizwe ngomasipala in KZN. Ulahleka u30 million. 30 million disappears in a thin air out of the bank account. Even that bank alfuna account. Alfuna ukwenza information. Because you know why? Because they are in charge. There's the same capital that is in government. Can't expose itself. Uma ezinye zeyigcila zabo zitshontshe kubo ngoba izigcila zabo iANC. That's why ithala kumele lithi lay down. And ukubalwa manje imali zomunye ohlule uona imali abeyithathe uthala we ANC isicila sabo. Manje sewuzosebenzisa lo case yele ukwenza sure ukuthi ithala doesn't live another day. Abantsheli nina ukuthi i-Reserve Bank ifuna 200 billion from this government. And akho transparency ukuthi lo mali izobe yapi. Kwenziwani ngalo mali. Now let me tell you where that money is going. They want to transform our banks. are operating in unison because they're introducing a new system. Abafuni ukuthatha imali zabo sebeyibeke bayihoda in Europe and America and England. Njengoba niyazi ukuthi i-Reserve Bank i-private akuyona yethu. Oh no. Bafuna le mali yahulumeni wenu and uzayithoba sebeyitholile probable because ezinto zabo ziyashesha yezeni kuphela ngamele isheshe. Nina funa nitshelwe into eyodwa ngebridge ukuthi liyokwakhiwa but okwabo phela bakwenza nje benganitshelanga nibone sekukhona and sonozwa after 2 years ukuthi hawu kwaba kanje and banade ama South Africans ukuthi nathanda ukuxolela nimanipulate kalula. Niya accepta into wrong noma ngabe kuthe into seniyazi ngabe engaze niyazi ngayo for 2 years anizukuyi challenge anizoyeka ngoba nizothi awu usizani ngoba vele ugcina ungaphumelelanga. If ma wenza njengananga ubaba uMsholozi, we will see you. Uma wenza njengananga ubaba uMsholozi, we will see you. Because uyabusibonisa ebese ngakuboni. Uma kuthiwa cupcake must fall, abantu abafuna abayimamrata fela. Abafuna abantu ukuthi lento discusswe not in favor of cupcake but kube nama reasons. Lento ibe yethu, it must be for us, funeka kube okwethu. Ngisho nomsholozi mayibhetha funeka mangabe sithi hayi cha sokwanele sithi discuss lento ibe yethu. Uthi cha lokho besamthuma ngake lokho. Manje umalema sebhetha kuleke kube sithi discuss lento sibe kwethu ukuthi useyabhetha ngeke akusafanele akasuke. But no, South Africans, they follow everything. Abafuna ukuzwa bavala indlebe mabetshelwa ngomuntu abamthandayo, abamthandi ngezenzo, bathanda ngobuso bakhe nokuthi kuleya position. Because ukhuluma kahle mayikhuluma nabo. But abageni lutho in reality. Ukuthi ukhuluma deliver speech esihle. They're still gonna sleep in a tin house. They're still gonna squatter in that shake. Umkhukhu. Basawuze esikoleni bafike futhi kubenzima nokuthola ispace kuleso sikole sakhe. Anyway namhlanje ngoba sekuthathwe kwazathatha ngisho education kini seniyalwiswa kuyo. Shiwa ngisho ingane engeyona eSouth Africa. Ayivale ispace sakho aniboni ukuthi kuliwa nani. Uhulumeni wenu usenithengisile. Uhulumeni wenu has put a price tag on you. Akuyena uhulumeni wenu lona. This is not your government. And you'll never benefit anything from this government. And no government account to anything. Lobani, the Minister of Presidency, Ubani Museveni, iskandal sakhe. It's a long trial. But now, ukhona ngamthinta. Because these are slaves who are saving your oppressor. They must be saved. Because they are good girls and good boys. Abantu abangafunakali ilaba bantu abazokwenza into right. We are in a criminal state. Eyenza khona criminal ibe law. Buka izinto ezenzeka around you. I'm not going to repeat myself anyway. Sengivala nansi nefuna ukutshela yona. Some of you have noticed ukuthi 2 bulbs of onions can cost you 10 rand now. Might khona ngokunotice lokho la kwi-panel njengamanje engasho ukuthi akakunothisi mangabe wena ulapha kwi-comment section shona ukuthi akakunothisi lokho. 2 bulbs of onion are costing you 10 rand now. Isn't that so? Can 2 bulbs sustain you for the month? You need to think now. Ubone ukuthi in the next couple of years ubone life uzobe difficult kanjani. I-rand doesn't gain nothing. Now cupcake kuthiwa uyi-billionaire. Linyathele lishona phansi. Inhlupheko bayidala ngamabomu because you need to depend. Bazonyusa ama-price okudla. So start trying and make use of your backyard. Ukuthi kube khona into we use i-observe makunethi imvulo ubuka ukuthi yini ezomila kulo land. Sengisho ukhula the weed. Umela mila ulubuka ukuthi how long they're gonna last. Kuba ne-heat ubuka ukuthi luthatha maphi ama-seasons. Lento uzoyenza in 1 year kula ma-season awu 4 of the year. And then the following year, what you need to do, usune data yale land. Pendule. Uqale ke manje usuhamba uya abantu abazo advise abayenza i-farming, uye na ku-online ufuna ukuthi if you have this kind of soil, ngoba ufuna kuyazi le nhlabathi yakho inje and ubone ukuthi inale deficiency, what you need to add as manure kulo ndawo. Usuyiphendulile manje usuyiphendulile, ungasusi lo liyakhula. Pendule nalo. Why uzephendula nalo liyakhula? Because isihlala isikhathi sithi ungasebenzisi. Sofunele ulolukhula usebenzelwe i-compost kwenzela udale layer warmth heat on the ground. Lufe lube i-compost. Zizongena imvula wena starter until ube nemali yanele yokubuyisa ufake layer fertilizer yakho. Ubuse wenza lento oyithandayo. The only land or the only type of soil you cannot work on it, nokunzima noma usuthi uyasebenzisa, is a sea sand. Sea sand is very difficult ukuyisebenzisa nokuyishintsha ibe productive. Sea sand. So whatever weed ekhula laphana uyibhekisise is awuthola noma ikuphi on inland. You don't find that weed. But only from the sea and uliyafa futhi kwalona mase kulo sand. Because ulwandle lo too concentrated ngesalt. Ngiyakwazi lokho. Nisazoshupheka ama South Africans. Manhle nalo uhulumeni ngiyabonga. You have only 2 years or le term nje yodwa kuphela. Aqede ngani uRamaphosa. Ngiyabonga.
Angibingelela ama-converse. Oh.
Siyabulela Commander Mageba. Makhulu atyebile abafuna ukugqotshwa. Ayisilapha comment section wonke umuntu uyengezelisa inyembezi ngenxa yeqiniso elikhulumayo. Usivula amehlo. Ithi ngane la term eyayisetshenziswa ngela xesha le-COVID. Or before COVID. Kwake kuthiwa abantu zi-conspiracy theories. Xa uthetha into evula abantu amehlo. So I'm sure ke behind the scenes bakhona batshoyo nje naba bamane benantsika bengena apha besithi sikhuluma into ezingekho. I'm sure that's what they call you now. but ke thina siyabulela ngoba we are lucky ukuthi sibe nabantu abajule njengani babamageba apha eNantsikeni emkhombweni wesizwe nisivula amehlo every day ipanel iba rich nge-information ngokuthi kungene abantu abafana nani siyabulela kakhulu baba siyani appreciate uTeboho ebeke wangena ndazi noba usokoliswa yinantsika network okanye kwenzeka ntoni uTeboho Sithole ukhona ngoku alright masibe sidlula ke kuye ungangena ke user
ake ngibingelele ipanel yonke nginibingelela
yebo
ngenhliziyo enhle nemnene yokuba umSouth Africa oziqhenyayo noma umAfrika bese ngiphinde ngibonga kuwena mphathi hlelo osihostile umuntu wesifazane uba nalamandla angaka sesinamagwala manje abantu besifazane yazi ama-South Africans wonke kubhlungu ukuthi awakwazi ukubona into mayisuke iyinhle eyenzakalayo bese sebenzisa imizwa ibhlungu ngoba usuke usebenzisa imizwa entweni engadingakalanga ukuthi usebenzisa imizwa kuyona kufana nokudabukela umuntu umbone ekhala ungazi ukhaliswa yini bese usebenzisa imizwa yakho kumdabukela kanti isigebengu impela sizokugebenga kusasa yabona kukhona into eyenzekile la kwiqembu elibusayo ngolibiza kanjalo noma ebelibusa siphuma khona ke mina nje ngiphuma khona lelo qembu beline constitution eyenziwa mina ngingakazalwa so ibese iya instilwa la kumina ngayithanda ngase ngiyangena khona ngahlala uma sulandela kahle uyabona ukuthi thina asidayiswanga namhlanje sadayiswa from the beginning ekuqaleni uma ngabe kodwa umuntu olandela into osuke ukuyona ufuna ukubona ubuqiniso bayo asidayiswanga namhlanje ave sizothi njengoba namhlanje sebekwi-GNU bese ngathi siyethuka umuntu othukayo umuntu obekade engalilandeli iqembu ebekade kulona especially mawukuthi leli bekade libusa wena ongethuka ukuthi hawu sebeku-GNU thina sithi namhlanje sebezivezile sebehlulekile ukuzifihla sisho njalo ngoba we've been following ukcreator noma ukusungulwa noma ukufonywa kwale ANC ebesikuyona all along siyathola uyayihidiwe ngizokuhighlightela ngizokukhela phezulu ngoba ngiqondile ukukhuluma ngabo mangithi project ama white boys bonke abantu abasungula lento bafunde phesheya bahlalile phesheya kodwa abanye kuthiwa bala eNanda uma ngabe usungula iqembu wala eNanda ungazi lutho ungafundanga ngalesa sikhathi ufunani phesheya imali uyithathephi ningi engingakusho ngikukha phezulu mhlawumbe uzodideka mhla uhost evule ipanel kahle ngangena kahle ngizokuchazela but asidayiswanga namhlanje kade sadayiswa sesinenhlanhla ke kuqhamuka iMK iMK ayiqhanyukiswa umuntu ovele wathanda ukusungula iqembu nje iqhamuka iMK phakathi kwalamagama awu2 ecapitalism necommunism yilento eyenzekwa formeka iMK ngicela ungakudidi icapitalism abantu kade bekhuluma ulimi lweRandi Mandela uMbeki uRamaphosa manje ngikhumbula ukuthi size sathi ngoba kwekufuna kwenzeka izinto ngesikhathi sikaZuma noma abanye ba-interpreta ngenye indlela ngoba ibhlungu lento yokubuka into eyenzeka manje ukhohlwa ukubuka ukusuka kwayo nokulandela sisayinisa uDes van Rooyen ebusuku ngoba kwakunezinto okumele zenzeke bakhuluma abantu kwababhlungu izifuba bekhuluma into abangayazi So sibhlungu kakhulu ngabantu abangaboni bengisathi ke sinenhlanhla okay ifomeka ngaphansi kwamagama awu2 i-capitalism ne-communism yini into ekedale wafomeka i-MK phakathi kwalamagama awu2 upresident uZuma kuyona yakhe i-MK eyethu sonke ufomeka i-MK because upresident Zuma ngesikhathi sakhe ubekhuluma ulimi lo-communism ulimi lo-communism ulimi olusebenzela abantu kanti capitalism akuyona into esebenzela abantu leyo into esebenzela omunye umuntu oseceleni ngizokulinganisela nje thema sithi sikhipha uPravin Gordhan kwasho kuqeda ukuthiwa uGordhan kumele ayeke ukuba umnqonqoshe kwathi irandi selehlile akakasi akakadluli hour akakenze hayi irandi selehlile ngeke lisaperform so as much as sithi alikho isoko elingenasici but upresident uZuma uzamile ukusebenzela abantu ave simncoma nje noma sivele saya ku-MK nje kuningi singakubala ake ngikubalele kuqala ngaphansi kwerandi ngizokubalela izinto ezimbalwa masikhuluma ngerandi sikhuluma ngokuthi uRamaphosa uyofuna osomabhizinisi abazotshala izimali eSouth Africa sazi nokuthi bazitshalela abantu ngoba zisisiza thina no one obenefitile kuleli rand kulokukhulunywa ngalo kulo 30 years into enibenefitile ama-food parcels nokunconywa nibanjwe emakhanda nokunikezwa ama-instructions angekho anibenefitanga ngalezi ndlela zakhelweyo oveza unyawo ebekade nakhona zakhiwa ngendlela ukuthi kukhandwe corruption uma sikhuluma ngerandi futhi sikhuluma ngokuthi uRamaphosa uhlulekile ukusupporta osomabhizinisi abancane bakwazi ukukhula ngibala izinto ezilula kunezinto mhlasimbe ezithe ngizama ukubeka ezisemehlweni ethu kuningi engingakubala kodwa masibuya ngala kuZuma uZuma uqhamuke ngikhuluma ngento esebenzela abantu ke manje uqhamuke nemfundo announce ukuthi imfundo sekweyamahala isebenzela wonke umuntu la into engamsebenzela umuntu onqane ukufunda lapho qhamuke ne radical economic transformation kuningi aqhamuke nako yabo ngizama ukuveza okuncane abanye bayakhumbula ngesikhathi se-AIDS i-AIDS bokuthi mayikuphethe usazoya eclinic sogoba unezinwele eziphithanayo mawufika lapha kuthiwa ayike usazobuya uattend iclass for 2 weeks uyagula njalo wena unikezwanga lutho awunikezwanga ngisho umjovo but uthe mefika lo comrade wafika wakushintsha lokho namhlanje mawuwatholakala nje noma uzisola nawe uqala umshanguzo so bengisathi ke sibe nenhlanhla kwasungulwa iMK kwase kusungulwa iconstitution sikhona iconstitution esesizwa le esikuyona wayesasho futhi wathi ngicela ukushintsha uma ngithola u2/3 majority sishintshe iconstitution endala yabona ke le ifumisa abantu ifumise nomuntu ovela nikezwe iskipa nje ka-ANC elokuthi i-constitution yani akazi naleyo constitution ekukhulunywa ngayo i-constitution ayisivuni thina ivuna elinye ibala utheke mayisungule iMK i-constitution sithi ke i-constitution esesi-understanda le iMK noma ngabe inawo ama-remarks from there noma ama-loopholes from there but into eseyisungule sikhona esizoyixoxa sikhona uma isungulwa le constitution iyasiprotecta thina abantu abamnyama ongazi iMK thema izosungula udala impofu khulume kakhulu la ezama ukuchaza ethi before kusungula iMK kubizwe wonke umuntu owumholi wenhlangano emnyama kwabizwa lapha ya ama-comrades eMK uthi ake sihlaleni phansi sibukeni ngeke sifome yini iqembu elilodwa labantu abamnyama ukuze sikwazi ukufika lapha la sifuna ukuya khona bashaya amakhala bathi kabanye hayi asihambeni sonke siyozivotela ngokwethu sibuye mase sihlulekile knowing very well ukuthi bazohluleka because iANC was very powerful ngokuthi iyakwazi ukumanipulate isystem so it was the time for them ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sinqobe uma ngabe behlangana. Bathe-ke uma ngabe besho njalo wabadedela uComrade uZuma bahamba kwahlulekeka sekumele babuye-ke manje ukuze phela sikwazi ukuqhuba into eyaphambili. Kwasekuqala kuvela ukuthi abanye babo ave ngoba beqonda ukulungisela abantu izwe. A good example nje khona uComrade la uComrade Malema. Comrade Malema is there ngokomzimba nokukhuluma but yonke into yakhe ayenzayo uxhaswe yibona labantu beGNU oMotsebe nabanye. So ayikho into ongayithatha kulo Comrade usukenzela wena uthi ibona ukuthi ngathi ukumele engakumele. In fact eParliament sinama bodies nje asimele mhlambe kuzoqala manje ngoba sekukhona amalungu eMK. Asiyithandi ke MK ngoba siyithanda but siyayisupporta because isibheke ukuthi izosilungisela. Naku eseyikulungisile ingaphethe. Naku eseyikulungisile ingaphethe. I don't care ukuthi omunye umuntu uzobhalani but if knowing for the fact ukuthi uyayilandela ipolitiki lento engiyikhuluma uyayaza akukho la ngiqamba khona amanga. Eseyikulungisile MK ngokufomeka kwayo kuzilungele kona automatically siye sancishelwa kakhulu i-load shedding ebese sikhuluma stage 16 uthi sesibheka kubona but ngokufomeka kwayo kwama ngqi noma kuthiwa siyaphila and thina ama-Afrika noma ama-South African bese sikulungele ukuhlangana nalowo stage 16 obukade ushiwo. Sesikulungele sophila ngaphansi kwawo lo stage 16 but babebona ukuthi akukho right. Okwesibili okulungiswa iMK ingaphethe ikhoze ukuthi makube khona le GNU naku ke la isize khona ngoba engathi mhlawumbe uboni la isize khona isebenza ukusivezela ukuthi who is the ANC, who is the real ANC. Uncamele phela abantu abamnyama abantu abayimbumba abadinga ukuthi bahlangane uncamela ukubashiya ayohlangana nesitha evele ngaqali. Even nango 1994 uSwini ukhetho wancamela ukuyolala nesitha wawashiya ama-socialist countries. Omqeqeshisi sekuthena akwazi ukunganipulate system ningabe kwalunga ube kuthiwa kwenzakalanga lokho namhlanje okwenzeke ngenxa yokuthi walala nesitha wancamela ukushiya umuntu wakubo. uGroenewald nje wakhona into awayikhuluma ukuthi akukho umhlaba oyobuya la ngamane kuliwe. Namhlanje sinenkinga kodwa kunabafowethu abasasupport uANC abangabenefithanga lutho kuphela abalinda ama-food parcels. Abangabenefithanga lutho kuphela abaye bathola amathenda umuntu ngoba nakuye wathola ithenda umi ngokuthi akadayise the rest yabantu abathatha balahlele. Ukusunguleka kwe-MK whether you like it or not kuyenzile noma kube ne-impact ezweni lonke. Ngicela uba mfishane ngoba mhlawumbe abantu baningi abanye bungabe ukuthi bakhishwa umina mhlawumbe ngihamba kakhulu ngizobuye ngibuye ukuthi ngiyadingakala but bengifuna ukuyiveza le light ethi iMK it's not there ngokuthi izo destroyer but izokwakha. Ngiyabonga mphathi sihlalo.
Yo makhulu Commander User, makhulu amagama wakho. Submission yakho ibalulekile kakhulu. Bengekabi khona into besemveni kwakho kwangoku. Besamamele nje kamnandi. Amazwi akho nje apha ekugqibeleni atsho kamnandi ukuthi iMK ibe ne-impact kwi-politics zalapha elentuzini ento eSouth Africa. Umzekelo ngoku siyaqala mani kuyaqaleka ukuba kube sisathetha ipolitics 8 months after elections. Bese qala uthetha ngepolitics xa kusondela ixesha lovoto emveni koko siphinde silibale ngento edibaniselene nathi kane-politics, siqhubeke nempilo zethu, saphinde sibabone xa bezile bezocampaigna. But from ixesha lokucampaigna, from ukuthi ubaba uJacob Zuma wamention ukuthi uzawusupporta i-MK party ngoDisemba ka-2023, okokoko sathetha i-politics. Ilento za into le i-conversations ezingezizo ezidibanisene nathi kane-politics azisekho mnandi. Nditsho sowuhleli nabangani bakho kuba kuthethwa ngento enepolitiki phakathi, whatever nithetha ngayo iyabhora. So nje ilento za itshintshile shem indlela ekungayo kwi-politics. Nabo bayayifeel i-hit, bayatry ukuthi bahold live, benze zonke izinto, but they cannot match into yenziwa yilento za i-MK apha kulento za ku-TikTok, ngoba lento ikuthi asipretendi. Yes, Commander.
Where my leader ngiyaxolisa khona into engikhohlwa uyimention angikhumbuza abantu. Khona into engixoshwa uyimention angikhumbuza abantu, and I'm sure abaningi abayazi. Then go guys and Google it. Yabona khona into bekuthiwa i-black consciousness. Omunye wabo wayekhona uTerra Lokota, mangabe ningamazi. uTerra Lokota uyena umuntu owaboshwa waphuma ngaphansi kwe-black consciousness. Uyena kuphela owaphuma. Amalunga e-PAC aboshwa, afela endleleni, awafika ngejele, afika ejele, afa wonke. Awe-black consciousness, amalunga aboshwa, afela endleleni, elafika ejele, lasala lodwa laphila, kwaba uTerra Lokota. Amalunga e-ANC aboshwa wonke, aphuma wonke phila. The reason why aphuma wonke phila engabulawanga njengawa black consciousness nawe PAC is the reason of ukuthi babezosetshenziswa njengoba besebenziswa nje kwakune agreement eyaseyikhona within. That's why baphuma bonke bephile ngekho wafa wafela lapha. That goes back to the questions ethi why uMandela boshwe for 27 years aphinda aphume phila. Kunabantu bonke labantu esengibabalele bona bafa, nabanye ke ababoshwayo baphuma bephila be-ANC. Asibonge kuComrade Zuma ukuthi wathi mayesephumile ethatha itheme ukuba upresident, ngoba kumele uyiqaphele into ethi ubengenayo ipower yokuzenzela phela. Khumbula ukuthi besenhlanganweni bengeve ezodlova. So uthema seba netheme yokuthi uyakwazi ukungena kwi-inauguration yakhe ya 2014 inauguration, wathi kuzomela sisheshise ngoba bazosivimba. Hayi hamba ukuglisha lento engiyisho lana, sikhuluma ama-factors, sikhuluma indaba yomuzwa la, asikhuluma indaba yothando lwakho la lokuthi uthande ANC ongazi ukuthi kwenzeleni. For 30 years wena msupport we-ANC, you can't even mention one thing obenefite ngayo for 30 years. So wathi kuzomela sisheshiseni ngoba bazosivimba ku-inauguration yakhe ya 2014. Hamba uyigooglisa uzofica washo lamazwi. Benzani ngempela basivimba? Yini ngizama ukubuya bengivuna ukucacisa lento, bengizama ukucacisa lento ethi abantu ababelwela inkululeko abaphili bayafa, abantu abaphilayo babengalwela inkululeko basebedayisile already. Vele ngo-94 sithatha nje vele sebedayisile abanye, kwakuvele sekunenhlokwana within enhlanganweni. Ingako kwaqoka isithi ukuthi asisondele eduze sizosebenza nathi. Kwaba i-GNU yesibili le. Eyokuqala yilebe khona ngo-94 because thina we were trained to destroy umbuso, but we were not trained ukuthi mase sibadestroyile sizowuthatha siwuphathe kanjani umbuso. Sathi mangabe siwina leyo party sangabe sazophatha kanjani. Kwasekumele njengokuthi sithi ama-leaders ethu ama-great minded, angithi babiza kanjalo sithi ama-great minded. What's so hard to them to go Russia ukuthi hayi bafuthu nako bese siwinile senze njani? Those countries babezosiza ukuze sikwazi ukuya phambili. Kwakungcono ukuthi singabi namali. Ubuka iBurkina Faso namhlanje yakha imigwaqo ngaphansi kwalo president okhona manje omusha, yakha imigwaqo ngaphandle kokuthatha imali ku-IMF. Thina sinasiphi isikweleti sinesingakanani? Uma ucabange South Africa yokuyiphinda ibuye, umongameli wethu ukhulume la ngo-2018 wathi uTrump akagcina izwe lakhe, nathi sizigcinele iSouth Africa. uTrump uma ebuya manje ezama ukuqinisa imithetho, uthini umongameli wethu ugijima ngale ngasese uyomncenga athi hayi Trump ngeke mfana kithi. Yini ingoba uyigwala futhi akalona igwala, it's just because akanandaba nathi. He's done yena, unemali yonke, ucanga uzohlala noma ikuphi. I like uma ngase kuthi uTrump ngelinye ilanga lento uyayiqinisa ethi we bantu basemazweni wonke nila eMelika, ake nihambe nibuyele kini niyothanda amazwe enu. Lezi zinto enifuna ukuzakha la eMelika nizakhe kunina. iMelika yethu thina ama-Americans. I wish ukuthi uRamaphosa ufola ngaphansi kwalabo bantu. So my comrade, ake nibuke into before sikhulumeni noma sibhaleni la. Musubhala ngoba nesizungu bese ufune ukuhlukumeza imimoya yabantu noma ubathuke noma ubhale into engekho. Uma ungenayo information, hlala phansi ufune akwazi ukuphendula. Yabona? So ibhlungu kuleyo nto. I know ukuthi vele thina asikho right ekufundeni then sit down ke kuma videos enikuwona whether noma ngabe ukuphi inhlangano awufune kodwa information right, because I know ukuthi umuntu we-EFF ufuna ukwazi nge-MK, oye-ANC ufuna ukwazi nge-MK, ufuna nama fact ke enzele masikhuluma la silekelelane lana sikhulumi thina njenge-MK. Mina ngikhuluma njenge-MK, ngikhuluma njengento engiyibona ezweni, into engisebenzela mina ukuthi izwe liya benefit yini. So uma ngabe ukula kule panel uzobuza ukhuluma la kule panel, ukhuluma ukhuluma njenge-ANC, njenge-EFF, njenge-EFF plus, uzobuza ukhuluma ama fact epolitiki ukuthi yini thina siyifuna, ngoba lana ave sithanda umuntu lana we are looking into ezosebenzela abantu. That's what we are looking for. Kodwa ke vele ngiyi-MK at the end, kodwa ngizama ukuthi la sisuke singeve sizama ukusupporta nento engekho. Suke sizama ukusupporta into ekhona nesiyibonayo ukuthi iyasebenzela. Musana ukubluffwa ama food parcel, musana ukubluffwa ukuthi ANC ishintshe yini le ishintshile. Remember kade sila emabranchini lana kade sesishayela umthetho, sengathina sikhuluma la emabranchini sihambise phezulu siyosubmit bese kubhekwa izinto zethu, thina besithola instruction phezulu ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani phansi. Uma ngabe uthi uyakhuluma thi ungamane uyeke ungamane uphume, kade arrogant ngohlobo lesimanga ngoba thina besiyuzwa. We've been bluffed guys for 30 years. Let's open our eyes. Angeke recruit ukuthi oza MK, but awubheka ama fact ento esebenzayo. iFF ifomiwe yenzeni? Ayenza ngalutho kuphela eParliament beyishawa ngoba ifuna udumo lokuthi yandise inamba. People bahambile bayakubona. Salinda ngoba bekumele silinde besingeke sivele siyophoseka nje. Salinda ukuthi loze lifike usuku esingalwazi. That's why khona because siyayibona le EFF ekuthiwa ifonyiwe iyashawa kuphela ayenzi lutho up until iMK is formed. So uma seyifonyiwe silandela ngoZuma, silandele ukuthi izosisiza kuphi. Ngithi ke mina ayikakaphathi, but impact already eSouth Africa ikhona. Ushintsha yonke into ingaphethe. Now cabanga mase kuthiwa iphethe, and there's this questions esiyibuzwa abantu la eminyango. Ngicela wena oyiMK ukwazi ukuphendula la ethi uZuma mayefa ngoba semdala nje. iMK is not about uZuma. Abafoma iANC sebashona kudala, but iANC still exists. Nala kuMK uZuma ngelinye ilanga mangabe ehambe kukhunjulwa inkosi, iMK will be still exist. Because akhona phela amanye ama leaders lo mbuzo siyekeni nje ngawo ukuthi uZuma semdala. Yes mdala, then so what? i-MK is not ukuthi ekazuma ekanoma ubani. People says ududuzile ungenaphi ezindabeni zakithi thina iqembu lethu sizolimisa lizoma lizosebenza lizobasebenzela abantu as long as isiphila. Ngicela ukwehlela ngezansi comrade.
Commander user ngicela nje i-chance encane bakithi nali commander lingikhumbuza. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu i-chance encane nje sengizohamba ngoba naku lapha next door yami ngathi akusikuhle kahle. Uyazi
No problem, Commander.
wamkhumbuza indaba enkulu kodwa ngendlela ongikhumbuze ngayo ungathi khulunywa izolo 2014 laphayana weza phambili ku platform wasibuza wathi manje njengoba sengizoshintsha unyawo sengizosebenzela ukuthi sishintshe iphase nizongisupporta na ngikhumbula kahle noma singasigugule uzoyithola lenkulumo. Ngiyabonga Commander user kusikhumbuza wasibuza ukuthi sizomsupporta na nangempela waqala uthe makaqala hayi kwabe kuyilapho sekubheda khona ebathi ufaka ekhipha ulate private adlula wonke umuntu kodwa abantu balwa noDezi ukuthi ungeneleni kodwa lo muntu uphethe ama qualifications adlula wonke umuntu. Phela umuntu othi umsholozi njani ini uyadlala ngoba yonke lento esikhuluma ngayo la iku black and white inama video ina everything nisho eyovula ini kuphi eyovula i-big microscope lapha eNorthern Cape yonke into iyabonakala. Ngibonga kakhulu Commander user ukuthi ungikhumbuze le ndaba. Wasibuza uNxamalala ukuthi somsupporta yini azange simsupport kuze kwafika la sebaze bamhlula bamkhipha khona bamforce ukuthi resign ngoba ebeseqalile ethi uimplementa lama policies we socialism bengafuni ngoba uDezi kuba wake wangena ngabe wachintsha yonke le nto leyana ngabe nje siphila kangcono namuhla kodwa azange abaningi bamsupport kuleyo nto leyo ngoba bebengaboni vision abehamba ngayo. That's why today we are following the same vision. Ubaba wabona ukuthi ngcono ngiphume kule party ngimeceleni ukuze ngikwazi ukuphusha le vision engiyibonayo ukuthi izokhulula izwe. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Commander user. Ngibonga kakhulu sonke besi-ANC kodwa ngendlela eqhube ngayo cha siyabonga hayi cha siyayibonga noma ngathiwa amaphathi esephelile noma ngathiwa kwenze njani angiboni ukuthi singaphinde sibuyele eGibhithe sesihambe kangaka saze sawela ulwandle olubomvu samisa iMK bese siphinde futhi sifuna ukubuyela emuva. Hayi angiboni impela ngibona nje ukuthi asiqine kakhulu manje lapha kuMK siqhubekele phambili sibe nevision because masine vision ngeke sihlangabezane nezinkinga and siyazi ukuthi kahle kahle iMK imele ini sifunde neconstitution yayo. Ngiyabonga.